Alright, what's up people? We're back on site on this lovely Sunday morning in Stone. A member of the Staffordshire family, I believe.
Yeah,
is that correct,
it's in the county. We're from the county town,
yes.
The capital.
Capital of the county.
Stafford.
County capitalist.
This is a midpoint between Stoke and Stafford.
Yes, this is Stone. I'll let you have a gander.
It's very eloquent.
Very charming little town. Is it a town?
Yeah, or village, town. Yeah, it's quite big actually. It's a town, I'd say.
What's the plan today, Jack Dino?
Get in. After I finish my cigarette,
yes.
You finish your tea.
A lovely
Get in.
tea.
George will get 2 mixes ready, one in
Yes.
the barrow, one left in the mixer.
Yes.
We're going to start getting our beds in, we're going to start laying, get that laid. We've got about 3 squares to lay, so hopefully have that done for 12. We'll go into town, have a nice wander around, maybe have a feed, and then we'll come back and grout. It won't be a long grouting process, as there are only 5mm joins.
Yes.
So grout that up with our beautiful paved off. We've gone for a grey. And then... yeah, we're going to leave it to cure over the evening, and then we're going to come back first thing tomorrow morning and
sheet and board
quickly, and then go home.
Alright people, I better slurp up my tea, and then we better get to work. Sunday shift. As you can see people, look at this. Beautiful double cobble entranceway, curve cut to match. It's unfortunate about that little chip there, but that's existing sandstone. So on older properties they use a sandstone base to act as a DPM, as sandstone sucks up moisture, so it'll keep the moisture out from the interior.
And also slate, where we now have our plastic DPM. They used to have layers of slate.
Wedging some little slivers. Oh, look at Jack Dini, double trowel.
Yeah.
Oh, and look at its fresh trim. Tidy nog in there, people.
So that's one for the ladies, innit?
Yeah, straight up, that's all
And
for
the gentlemen.
female and male. Alright people, so the laying process is all completed into the shadows. Laid the little entranceway today, another double run of cobbles. Really worked nicely with that recess here. So that is that line, and then the rest sort of continues as it was, single border with a single infill, single row infill. Jack did a great job. So we're going to give this a big wash down tomorrow and then do the grout as well tomorrow. And I think we're going to go over, wander around town and then cover this up. Alright, what's up people, we're back on site, so it's a bank holiday Monday here in Stafford, England. What the Matipo boys doing? Chucking in some grout on the patio.
Classic.
Happy to be here, Jack Dingy?
No.
No.
Not on a bank holiday, but no, of course I am. Grouting, beautiful granite. Just happy to see this project again. It's going to be a while till we're back here, innit?
Yeah. So I think we've decided we're going to do the grouting today, cover everything up. Another contractor's handling the car park area of this, so I'm doing a design today, sending that off for them. So they're going to be here tomorrow. We've verbally agreed everything, but I just want to draw everything out for them. Nice and simple. These walls are potentially getting rendered. There's a little sort of garden area out the back as well. That's getting rendered and cleaned up. They're doing some step work, things like that. So we're just going to let these boys finish absolutely everything, dig out the bamboo, do all their work here, and then we'll come back for the finishing touches. The cherry on the top, the icing on the cake, the apple in the orange. But this is going to be black ice, chipped marble down here, down this other side. I'm presuming down the front as well. Container plantings, that'd be your vertical black or white pots. And I'm thinking a cord line, probably not can, but maybe the variegated.
Yeah.
Variegated cord lines.
Too busy, wouldn't it?
Yeah. That's about it for today. So we're going to grout this bad boy, go get some brekkie, and then cover this up to protect our beautiful, beautiful masterpiece. Alright, what is up people? Another job done for the fantastic Matipo team. Remember the name, remember the game. So what have we done today, Jack Dini?
Today we've pointed our granite pathway and a hard standing area with
Pave tough jointing compound.
Yeah, pave tough jointing.
So it's not a grout. We've been corrected by Tallahassee themselves. It's a jointing compound, silica sand based jointing compound, and we went for the grey coloration. We did have a few suggestions to go for a basalt black, but I was just worried we'd lose the darker granite. I like what we've done, to be honest.
You don't want your grout to override the expensive granite.
Yeah, so it's quite intricate, we've got quite a lot going on. We're going to go grab some brekkie, we're going to let this dry off, and then we're going to cover it up. So the other contractors on this job don't ruin our hard work. Anything you'd like to add, Jack Deeney?
No, I don't think so. I think we've covered everything. It's been an interesting project, hasn't it, George?
Interesting to say the least, eye-opening.
We conducted ourselves very well on our first commercial project. Some long hours, but it's what we do it for, isn't it?
Absolutely, non-stop hustle.
And this is the outcome.
We will come back here, don't worry guys, we're going to finish this all up, do our black ice chippings along the sides, container planting, cord lines, all this bamboo's getting ripped out, this old tarmac's going, these edgings getting moved over, so we're going to have even borders, container planting.
We've got somewhat of a design brief for the tarmac.
Yeah, semi-project managering this project.
Yeah, but we're designing it anyway, so
yeah,
it'll look as pretty as tarmac can.
Yeah. So we're looking forward to coming back and getting the whole Shazam for you.
What would you have put down, George, instead of tarmac? Because it wouldn't have been my first choice. What would you think?
Exposed aggregate concrete would have been my choice. A nice brick edged, brick inlay.
You could even use some of the
granite. Yeah, granite edged, granite inlays, exposed aggregate concrete. If you don't know exposed aggregate concrete, check out our website. Some of our previous videos as well. Revolutionary product coming to the market.
You could have delineated the parking bays with the granite.
Yeah, heaps of options. With hindsight, we would have done things completely different. That's the way it happens at Matipo. We do something, we learn from it, and the next one's even better.
What have we got here?
We have got a nice little piece here, people.
Yeah.
So we've got the double, not single, not triple, double granite slip border. We're going to have our plaque. We decided it would look better at the front because there will be some signage up on this wall. So we're going to have our plaque cut in, so it's three planks thick. Plank cut in here, centralised, so we're going to come back that as soon as it's ready. It might be Thursday this week, mark that, cut it out, and biff it in. We also have a double cobble entranceway here. I don't want to walk on it, we've got it all nice and clean. So we've done the grouting, grey, pave tough grout, jointing compound, I should say. They've told us multiple times it's a jointing compound, not a grout. Apologies, Tallahassee. Got your surround around the gas meter, got your drain surround here. Fantastic. Very nice indeed. Obviously your pin curves. So we use the pin curves to achieve the appropriate height, all that sort of stuff. Went with a clean line finish to time with the rest of the project. We're absolutely over the moon with this. We love the product, we love the material. Definitely something we want to utilise again. So again, if you're in Stafford, Stone, Penkridge, and you want something like this, please get in contact. More than happy to have a discussion with you. But yeah, Granite planks for the win here at Abbey House Dental.
Another full design and full installation completed by the Matipo team.
Next one's going to be a large patio.
Yes.
Kandala Grey Raj Green mix, again the first in Stafford for a lovely client of ours, so we're quite excited about that. Some vertical sleeper walls, some horizontal screening. We're going to have to do a bit of back and forth for this project, so bear with us if the content's not coming. Big news next week as well, keep your peepers peeled.
Busy.
Alright people, farewell.